G'day guys, welcome back to an exceptionally special episode.
This one we've been looking forward to for a couple of years now. We are finally back reunited after a couple of years apart, and we're actually in one of our favourite places in the whole world. This is where we first started camping together, mate.
Yeah, it's very sentimental. Amazing mateships were formed. It's where we learnt a lot about the ocean, fishing, spearing, and yeah, we're here for the next, I don't know, week, hopefully longer.
Yeah, it's an island on the Great Barrier Reef. Of course, we're going to share it all with you guys. I hope you enjoy the next few episodes.
Let's do it. Yeah. This trip is the first one where I've actually seen and am getting to go in and put to good use the new Back to Basics vessel. I'm actually lost for words. It can probably not even fit in the shot with the camera. I'm super keen to get in it and see what she can do. So fortunately, I didn't need to tow this boat across the entire center of Australia. We used a family owned and operated company out of Perth. And if you guys get to see this, Boat Co, Marlene, Jacob, Wayne, they're a family operation. They're professional, they're kind, and they just do such a bloody good job. They took this boat from Perth through the middle of Australia, through the desert, through the Nullarbor, all the way here to the East Coast, where I've now just spent the last few hours filling her up with all the things for the next week. The fishing gear, camping gear, waiting for Strick to fly in. He's gonna be landing here in probably the next hour. But yeah, so stoked. It's really hard for me to describe to you in words just how excited I am for this. Haven't seen Strick in ages. My brother's on this trip, few of my best mates, their families, and we're heading out to an island on the southern Great Barrier Reef where we're just gonna be out there camped up and enjoying every day, turning the phones off, no emails, no reception, Hakuna Matata, no worries. Let's see how we go. It's been an absolute shit show, pardon the French. So we've all travelled from different parts of the globe to get here. We're about to put in. I'm like, Az, you got the bug? This is no joke. Az like, no, I thought you had the bug. Anyway, we're trying to launch this boat with all the gear in the world. We don't have a bloody bung. The most important thing. The only thing we need. So man, we've called in favours. Now it's getting late and we've got to race the tide. Yeah, we've got to race the tide and go probably 3 hours in the dark, but we're getting there. Oh, bro. Alright, we made it out here.
Yeah, we have. This year, we've got the bigger boat out here, which means we can explore spots we've never been to before, and that's what we're doing today. We're out on a pretty wide shoal we've never been to, and what do you reckon we're looking for, Az?
Well, we've got the dream team on board, and conditions seem close to perfect, so we really want to try and spend the time sounding around and finding a ledge or a cave or an area that's never been dived before.
The virgin grounds is what we're after, yeah. And of course, the fish we could find there, the good thing about the Great Barrier Reef where we are, there's a number of species which are very high on the target list. Red emperor, coral trout, jobfish, tuskies. They're all sort of 10 out of 10 eating. So.
And they can all hopefully be found where we're looking right here behind the boat.
Yeah. See what we can find.
All right, let's do it. How's it looking in there, mate?
Oh, mate, it's beautiful. We're just sort of drifting along a ledge, and it looks very likely for big red emperor and coral trout. So there's a fair bit of current. We're gonna have to go up and drift back. Hopefully this time we can find something.
Oh, mate.
Beauty, eh?
Yeah, cracking trout. Look at the colours on it.
Oh, just a beautiful coral trout, eh?
Far out, look at the colours in
Mate,
it.
when he came up from the depth, he just got redder and redder as he came up.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Beautiful, mate. Best eating fish in the ocean.
Doesn't get much better than that.
That's awesome.
Stoked.
Yeah, bro.
Anything else down there?
Oh, there was a few red emperor as well. So maybe next drift I'll be aiming at one of them.
Fingers crossed.
While coral trout are my favourite eating reef fish, the top of the target species now quickly turns to the mighty red emperor. The big ones normally live down in the depths, a bit too deep for us to dive to, but at certain times of the year and in certain locations, you can actually find the big ones up in shallower water. And that's exactly what we're looking for here today. We find ourselves swimming past a lot of prized fish in search of some big red emperor.
Hey Jack, where's Strick? Let him know there's a big school of reds under me. School of reds here, man. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh wow! Oh, so much! So much has gone into this moment. Oh, well done, boys.
Woo!
Oh man, reds all around. That was a special moment, man. Reds all around. That was a really.
On these longer form camping trips, we are relying a lot of the time on catching seafood every day because it's a staple in the diet and most meals have seafood. So with a lot of mouths to feed at camp, we're able to select a good few fish to take home for Tucker. That was that huge trout. Huge, mate.
So incredible. There was like a dozen huge fish.
Yeah, a couple of good red emperor.
So much life.
Awesome. Yeah, exactly. Thanks, mate.
Come on, man. Hey.
So with the conditions absolutely perfect, we don't want to head back to base camp just yet, so we're going to have a fish on a couple of rubble patches that we've sounded on the way home, so fingers crossed we can try and get a couple of other red fish in a bit deeper water. What do you reckon our chances are, mate?
Oh mate, when the weather's like this, you just don't want to go home, so hopefully we can kill an hour or so and catch a fish out here. Yeah.
What bait you got there, mate?
This one's called the lollipop. So we got this out of a fish earlier, and then I've got him going for the big red, another fillet with the pilly just to turn them on.
Just to clarify, that's literally come out of the stomach of one of the fish we shot about half an hour ago.
So we know they're eating them. All right, let's get down there.
Go, darling. There you go.
Yes, Eva.
Yep, further up the better. Oh,
Yep. Oh.
double reddos.
Oh.
Get them, babes.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh, you legend. Go for it. See you, mate. All right, get the big baits back down there.
He's off the bottom.
All we've caught at this spot is red emperors so far.
Nothing's come into the boat that's not red, so that's a good sign.
That's the vibe.
Come
Red
on,
or
mate.
nothing.
Oh, we got colour.
Beauty, mate.
Holy moly.
It's colour.
That is a
Oh, that is a stonking fish.
that is a beauty.
Mate, what do you got here?
I wish I knew the name of it, but
Fry pan snapper.
a fry pan.
Fry pan snapper.
A fry pan snapper. Have we got the fins on the top of it? Pretty wild looking fish. See if we can get it in the light so you can appreciate the colours of it. Cool fish, eh?
That's seen by the name, probably go really good on a pan.
Probably go great on a fry pan. However, we have
What is it?
some really nice fish already, so this one's going back.
I don't think I'm better than
See a fry pan snapper? Eluded the fry pan. Alright, so just walking back into camp now. Strick and Anzac have anchored up the boat. We got the gear and a bit of fish. Now we're just gonna head up, slab up, cook a feed on the barbecue, and enjoy what's set to be a pretty specky sunset. Can't get the smile off my face, eh? Fair dinkum. Such good fish. I'm sure you've seen this 1,000 times to cook fish, but basically we're just doing panko, salt, chili flakes, which Strick's going to be wild about. We're just throwing it straight in a bit of rice bran oil because it's got a high smoke point. 10 minutes in the pan, bang bang, done. All right, let's try a bit of this red emperor.
Oh, that'd be no good.
Nah, probably no
Probably
good.
no-
eh?
nah,
I just want to
not.
check it to make sure it's going to be safe,
Safe for
for all of you to eat, the family and children.
Thank
Yeah,
Thanks,
that's the least I can do, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's done.
Oh, can you eat it?
Oh my.
Yeah.
All right, if no good,
No good?
you're not going to
Oh,
like it.
jeez. Okay.
You're not going to like it, it's no good. All right, try it, Striggy.
Thank you, Az.
Tell me what you reckon, mate.
I think after swimming in from the boat, I think anything's going to be warm and good at the moment, but
After eating nothing since 8 p.m. last night.
oh wow. Mate, that is as good as it gets.
Mission success. All we wanted to do was go out and explore a bit of new country, find a ledge that had never been dived before, And judging by the life on those last couple of spots we dived,
Yeah.
I doubt anyone had ever fished or dived it.
No one speared that, mate. You can tell by the schools of red emperor. Normally these fish hang out in waters too deep for us to get to, but
like
every
40,
now and then,
50, 60 meters.
every now and then, if you find you know, the right kind of area, you can get fish like that where we can actually spear them. So mission success, mate.
Well done. Cheers. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the ride. We hope to see you out here.
And how's that reflection?
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
I think it's beer o'clock, mate.